Good morning, everybody. You're probably wondering where I've been. I know Sienna, she's here. Everybody's here. You're probably wondering where I've been because I've been non-existent for a couple of months. The last time you saw me was in Australia, and I've got back now, but I have had the worst month of May. I got really sick coming back from Australia. I suffer from bronchitis and chest infections, and it's now been 6 weeks since I got my chest infection and I'm still getting over it. It was pretty bad, folks. I was diagnosed with bronchitis and something called acute bacterial sinusitis, something to do with my sinuses. So I'm just still getting there. Hey, I'm here with a little one. I'm still on the mend. My ribs are killing me because all I've done for 4 weeks is cough pretty hard. The cough is not as prominent now and it's not as like barky from my chest, but I'm still bringing up lots of disgusting mucus and all that stuff. So it's not been great. I'm home now. I'm actually home for a week, and I am literally then going on the Legend for a week. And then I've got my vacation, but I've got a day here down close to Dover, and we're going to a place called Legoland, which we all love Lego here in the Williams family. So yeah, we're now going to pop in the car, head to Legoland. But yeah, that was the update because I have been non-existent. I've been really bad, folks. I can't stress how sick I've felt with this chest infection. It's been bad. I was on steroids, antibiotics for my sinusitis, but I still think I need some more since I've come back. So yeah, that's the update. Let's go on a family day out. Let's take you to Legoland. I'm excited. It's going to be nice. And I got my coffee. Let's go. We're here in Legoland Windsor. First time I've ever been here, ever. Like the first time. Oops. What's that, Kim? I think you should put this one on because I like that one the best. Fashion advice by me. Sienna, are you excited? How excited are you?
Extra excited.
On between 1 and 10, how excited?
100.
100, that's pretty good. Actually, Kim, how excited are you? 100. I'm pretty excited as well. They're excited to go on the rides. I'm just excited to go to the Lego shop and buy stuff. Daddy's spending all of his money. Right, come on. All right, let's go for a day out. Let's see where we're going to see. I'm excited. Alright, we've just been on the first ride, the spinning spiders. Not good for adults.
Do you think?
Meaning, no, it was a great ride, but just me and spinning don't go. Sienna, what was the spinning ride like?
It didn't make me dance dizzy, but it made Daddy and Mummy dizzy.
Yeah.
It was great.
What number would you give it out of 10?
100.
Wonderful. I think it's going to be a common theme, 100 for everything. We just went on the Jolly Roger pirate ship that goes up and down. What is it when you get older? Is it just me? But I used to love going on rides, like all the time. I was a big ride guy. But as I've got older, I can't take it. I nearly started crying on that ride there. My daughter's going, "This is the best thing ever." I was like, yeah, wait till you're 40.
Pirate
Next
Falls
one, where are we going?
Is
Pirate
Blood
Falls.
Flume on the roller coasters.
Let's go to the roller coasters. Welcome to Knight's Kingdom. What are we going on here? What's this? Hi, we're going on a roller coaster right now. I don't know what it's called. What's it called? I think it's called the Dragon. So let's go on the Dragon. This is the Ninjago ride. Let's have a look. We've just been to the Ninjago world. Pretty poor, to be honest. That's been the biggest letdown of the day so far. We waited 40 minutes for a ride, and it was like 4D experience, but it was really poor. So yeah, I was falling asleep because I'm still jet lagged kind of from coming back from the US. So I needed to get out because I was falling asleep. So we're off to the Pharaoh's world now. So let's see. So far though, I've been very impressed. I will say that Legoland in Windsor is very, very impressive. Oh! Wave. Oh. Well, what a day we've had. We are just about to wrap it up. It's now 4 PM. We're just heading back now. They're going on one more ride. I'm done. I've been on far too many rides today. I got some Lego. As you know, we're in the process of about to start building our Lego city. So let me show you what I got while I'm at the park. Let me show you. So this was a big one. This is the one that's sold out on the Lego store, but it's the Lego delivery truck. I just love this. I love how it looks. And yeah, got that today. Top of that, got a burger van for the store, for the city. It's quite cool. I'm going to probably keep the burger thing on top of it. It looks much nicer. So yeah. Of course, to go with the burger van, we got a nice smoothie van, a milkshake. I quite like this. So that'll go in the city as well. In this Lego city, there will be a Batmobile. Classic Batmobile with Joker and Batman. Oh, Batman. And to finish off, I got a couple of brickheads. I got Iron Spider-Man, which I've been seeing this online. It's really cool with a little potted Groot. Pretty cool, but the last one is my favourite. I saw this and fell in love with it. I love Up, the Disney movie. So you got Russell, Carl and Kevin, which is just amazing. So yeah, I'm loving some of these brickheads. So that's what I picked up, but also the great thing about it was I had so many insider points from some of the modular buildings that I bought. So I got quite a lot off, which is great. So the plan is probably going to head back now to the hotel. I've got some work to do. And then tonight's a big night because Scotland are playing in the opening game of the Euros. So no doubt I'll probably watch that as well. Alright, I'm waiting for the family. And let's get out of here. I am such an old man. I'm so tired. Been here since 10 AM, it's now 4:30. I'm ready for a nap. Hello, really crazy transition. I went from Legoland to now here on the ship. Yes folks, couple of days had passed. I'm now on the Carnival Legend, Sea Day 2, on our way to Iceland. I'm only here for like a week to just oversee operations, to see how everything's going and stuff like that. But just so you know, Legoland was great. We then went to an impromptu day the next day on Saturday to see Matilda in London with Sienna. It was a surprise and it was a great day. I didn't film anything because, you know, we just wanted to kind of keep it between us, and it was a really big surprise. It was wonderful. So yeah, I'm here. I'm literally here on the ship. I'm here until Belfast, which is next Tuesday. So I've still got like another week to go. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. It was one of those things where I was like, right, I need to record something. Plus I've got my beautiful camera that I bought in Australia and I want to use it more. But yeah, just to touch on what I talked about at the start, folks, I can't stress enough, the month of May, when I came back from Australia, it's probably the most ill I've been in a very, very, very long time. Do you know, the most ill I can think I was in my whole entire adult life. To give you more context on it, I went 4 days after flying from Australia, 4 days where I just felt not good and I didn't know what was wrong with me. And then when I went to the ship for a visit, I found out that, you know, I had some phlegm in my chest, and then all of a sudden after a course of antibiotics, the cough started. Then the cough got bigger. Then I went to another ship and then I got a nebulizer. Then the cough was like massively big and that's when it started to hurt. I was bringing up lots of disgusting stuff. And basically that's it. So 6 weeks have passed. I'm still not 100% yet. I feel better. Like I feel good. I can do normal stuff. But I just sometimes have the odd occasional little cough and just bringing up like phlegm and stuff. It's disgusting. I hate talking about it. But yeah, I just wanted to keep you all in the loop. Listen, ailments aside, it's nice to be back. I would like to get another video done. I'm thinking of taking, if I've got time, because I've got a lot of stuff to do over the next couple of days. I know I'm in Iceland, but I've got a lot of stuff I need to do work-wise. But I would like to get off in Reykjavik and take you with me and show you, because that's what I like to do, and show you parts of the world. So, thank you for watching, everybody. I'm glad you're sticking with me on this channel. Do you know, just so you know, I just looked at my channel the other day. Honestly, I haven't touched social media at all for like a month and a half, nearly 2 months. And I checked my YouTube channel yesterday for the first time in ages. And we're on like nearly 9,200 subscribers. We're so close to 10,000, and that was a dream of mine. Like, years ago, to have 10,000 subs on YouTube. So thank you for sticking with us. I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care of yourselves and each other, and let's see what happens next in the crazy adventures of the Flying Fleet Scotsman. I'll see you soon. Peace, love. Bye. Back off.